Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of two boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years. And I'm here helping three kinds of people. Number one, people who do have a passion about something, who have an expertise and want to monetize it through a form of a business. Number two, people who do have a business in an offline mode, they want to take it in an online platform. Number three, people who are doing pretty well either in an offline mode or online mode, but they are stagnant somewhere, they are not able to upskill and grow. So I, Alok, as a business coach, is going to give you a specific business strategy for your business so that you can upskill and grow in multifolds and you can generate multiple level of ROIs. So business owners and entrepreneurs, I do talk about business portfolios, different topics related to business. Today I am going to talk about business acumen. So you must have heard about this word and this term business acumen. But what does it mean exactly? And what you should be learning out of that? So doing business is not an easy task. Even in an India like a scenario, people prefer doing a job rather than doing a own business. Because learning to run a business is a challenging endeavor. Even working in a corporate job doesn't automatically guarantees you and translates into knowledge that leads to business success. In fact, people who have been working for years in an organizations at one particular positions without career advancement. So how can you obtain skills that lead to success? And that is what a business acumen is. So a powerful means of growing your business or advancing your career is to demonstrate business acumen. So this isn't about ephemeral ideas like gut instincts or having good business sense, but rather these are a set of concrete skills and an approach to business that increase your chances of achieving your goals. So anyone can learn these skills to obtain strong business acumen. So let us first understand and clarify what do you mean by a business acumen. What is business acumen? So business acumen is the ability to make sound business decisions by combining a number of factors to arrive at the best possible outcome for a given situation. Business scenarios are very dynamic. At that moment, a leader, business acumen is obviously everybody has that, but that is being primarily focused on leaders because they took the decisions. So people who have good business acumen, they are the leaders, and that is why this business acumen makes a lot of sense, right? So developing your business acumen competency isn't just for those in leadership positions. Even day-to-day activities, you have all sorts of people around in the organizations. They do take certain smaller or bigger decisions at times. So they too must have that business acumen, right? So these skills can extend to everyday scenarios such as improving your efficiency at your job, or being able to solve challenges related to problem at work. Maybe you can be a number of scenarios coming, maybe subordinates may be coming with different challenges. And as a business leader or a supervisor of those people, you do have to take certain decisions. So business acumen plays that kind of important role. So an added benefit is that building up your business acumen generally leads to success in your career. So no wonder there are people who are recognized for having good business acumen, and they are considered to be exceptional talents as well in different kinds of fields. And you know what? We have seen, the world has seen people who have good business acumen. They are the true business leaders, and the examples are Lee Iacocca and Steve Jobs, and there are so many people as that. So my point is, guys, this business owners, these things can be learned and implemented. So you should be having that kind of a skill and that urge to learn those skills so that you become a good leader by acquiring those business acumen skills. That is for now in this episode. See you.